the need for the development of the ecosystem players and the entire infrastructure as well. Today we are in conversation with one such EV infrastructure player that's called Exicom here. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Anshuman. He's the CEO of Exicom. So sir, we are here at the Bharat Mobility Show. So tell us what offerings do you have for the customers here? What is the new thing that you're displaying?
Thanks, Shivangi. And I will, make it crisp. So basically, if you look at, the ecosystem in general, chargers play a very, very important role. And as Exicom, we try to create world-class chargers out here in India, which are, being used by most of the OEMs and as well as for people who are, creating the public charging infrastructure. And as government is looking to, increase the proliferation of EVs, there's going to be a large-scale adoption of high-powered chargers on highways because buses and trucks is the segment where government has a lot of emphasis. And in fact, we are proud to announce the launch of our new product Harmony Boost, which essentially has been created specifically for high-powered charging on highways. Now, what is the typical problem today? That if you are setting up a high-power station on a highway, you will not be able to get a proper input power, or you will not be having around the clock power available there. So what we have done, we have essentially integrated a battery system which can be integrated to grid as well as solar, and then there are dispenser attached to it which give a very high powered output. What it ensures is 24/7 any customer can get his vehicle charged. Secondly, the infrastructure required to upgrade the grid is not required, and because it is also compatible to run this solar, it gels with our government's ambition of creating more green energy in the country. So this is our product which we have launched now. And similarly, what we are trying to do as Exicom is how do we create, intersection of green mobility and green energy together. So this is our charger, which has been made in India for the world. We export these chargers to multiple countries. This is a 7.4 kilowatt charger. And the beauty of this product is this is one of the most compact chargers available globally. And if you would have gone to most of the OEM stalls, I'm pretty sure you would have seen our spin charger, which is there. And this same charger is available in 3 form factors, right from 7.4 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt. So nothing changes, but we are able to change the output of the charger. So this charger we launched last year and we have been doing great, and we have started exports of these chargers as well. We have also been working on, adding more features into our charger. So this is the Sprint Pro charger which we are going to launch in next 3 months time. This is made more from a public charging perspective. At the same time, we have given a lot of focus to how do we make it more rugged, and at the same time adding displays and making it more feature rich compared to our Spin Air series, so that all type of use cases which are required, we are able to solve that problem. Then we have also been working, if you see, with a dispenser model, which is a charger which allows the flexibility. So basically you can add multiple such units at a location, and you only need to have a power cube where you can change the requirement. So today you can start with only one dispenser, and gradually you can keep on adding dispenser without changing the overall back-end power supply.
That's true. Like innovation and technology is the name of the game, and you are really bringing into it. So I just hope that as the EV industry grows, these challenges keep eliminating, and the industry moves forward in a positive way. So on that note, sir, it was really good to talk to you, and wishing you the best.
And thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.